it's Alex and welcome back to Slimy Nuts. So today is a very exciting video and it's about how to make a rainbow slime. I hope this will turn out nice and I wonder what color it'll make at the end. I'm so nervous for that. So enjoy, I'll see you at the end of the video. Let's start off with making a big batch of a white slime. We'll pour some glue in. Let's do about that much. Do 2 pumps of some foaming hand soap. We'll do about half a teaspoon of some baby oil, 3 pumps of some lotion. Stir all that up. Make sure it's nicely combined. Very carefully activate this slime. My activator is a teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water. And I just think that one works the best, and it just makes it activate quickly and it has the right diluted mix. So once it's at this stage, you want to go in with your hands and you just want to knead it. So just gently knead the slime. Alright, so you want a slime that fits right about in your cup. What you will need is white slime, a plastic, it could be a Starbucks cup or a juice cup. Just make sure that there's enough slime to fit in there. So just making sure that I have enough. Yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple. So I'm going to break mine into 6 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yellow. Orange. Red. Green. Blue. Purple. Now we get to layer it into the cup. So there is the finished product. I love it so much. I think it looks beautiful. And that's it right there. And then for an extra touch, I'm going to add a little bit of white fluffy slime as whipped cream on top. I'm about to mix my beautiful juice. Sadly, it cannot last forever, but look how pretty that looks. That is beautiful. More of a brown, but that's okay. It was still beautiful at the beginning. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you didn't already, remember to click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, remember to give it a like. Thank you. Bye.